Hey friends, I'm Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like this video by hitting the thumbs up and subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button. Today's video is a Christmas 2019 clean and decorate with me. I'm really excited to show you guys how I put everything together. I had a baby girl this year and I was really excited to get really Christmasified in my house. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started. Hey Google, play All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey.
All I Want for Christmas Is You, Super Festive by Mariah Carey.
First things first, gotta get motivated with a little glass of wine. I'm using the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner to clean the top of my bar. I love this cleaner because it smells like mint, it's super light, and it's very, very fresh. I ordered the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-purpose surface spray, and as well as the hand soap and the dish soap from well.ca. We don't use a fresh Christmas tree in our house, so this is the next best thing. Wintertime calls for a little more wine, so I'm putting some wine on the bar and taking away some other things like the tequila. I also added a muddler and some Christmas stir sticks, and then some glasses that have holly and vines on them. The napkins that I'm putting in say, "Joy is just a cocktail away." I really love using these wall clings from Dollarama. They go on so easily and they add a pop of color without having to destroy my wall. I'm just doing some spot cleaning around my light switches because I find they get really, really dirty. Took me a few tries to get this just right, but I finally liked the way it ended up. I always like to have a tray near the front because my husband comes home, drops his keys and all the change out of his pockets every day. Can anyone guess what movie I'm watching on the TV? It's a holiday movie. Let me know if you guess it right in the comments down below. My husband had taken Luna out for the day to visit my sister-in-law, and I was just trying to get as much done as I could before she came home so I could see the look on her face when she finally realized that the decorations for Christmas were here. Once they got home, I took her on a tour around the living room, and her eyes just lit up when she saw everything. I'm using the Method Wood for Good polish and cleaner. I love this because it smells like almond, it's really light, it gives the table a nice shine without it feeling too slick. I've used it before in my cleaning videos. I love how simple this was to decorate with just a few pine cones and Christmas ornaments around a candle on a tray in the middle of my table. Now I'm just finishing up in the living room and dining room with a quick Dyson. I love my V6. I got it on sale at Home Hardware. A cordless vacuum is the way to go. You know you're getting up there when things like that excite you. Now I'm just putting a few decorations in my guest bathroom. I had already cleaned it this week, so I was just putting a few things in there to spruce it up. I like to use napkins as well as a hand towel, just in case people don't like to use a hand towel. I really enjoyed how everything came out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys did too. You can follow me on Instagram at mrs.shelly.shoosh, on Pinterest, Mrs. Shelly Shoosh, and on Facebook as Shelly Shoosh. Once again, don't forget to like this video by hitting the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. I'm really close to 800 subscribers, and I would love to have you guys as part of my family. Let me know if there are any other types of holiday videos that you guys would like to see, and I will catch you again in the next video. Bye!